Okay, now in this video I'm going to discuss about two-dimensional viewing and clipping. So these are the topic I'm going to discuss to you, and the first one is definition for viewing and clipping, and viewing pipeline, viewing transformation system, and the types of clipping, and the algorithm called Cohen-Sutherland line clipping and applications of clipping. Finally we'll see the conclusion. Okay, first two-dimensional viewing. Before that I just want to tell you what it means viewing. So actually if you are going to take a photo or else going to take a shoot a video, whatever we are taking that actually by natural, how it's going to be viewed into the device, this is called as a viewing in simple terms. And in like a dictionary definition I could tell you like viewing is a transformation process of real world object into the position point which is relative to the viewing volume. It means while you capturing the scenery, like it might be like anything, whatever the area you are going to capture and how it is going to be viewed into your devices, we can say it's like the point behind the viewer. So you can see the example, you just look at the diagram. So you can see the I x comma I y, there is a coordinate value in your device. Actually the diagram real world view, you can see the real world view. We will be looking at the entire large picture, but we are going to take some area from that nature. So how that is going to be mapped with your viewport, which means your device. Okay, with the help of viewing pipeline only the value will be converted from the like a modeling coordinate values up to the device coordinate values. You just look at the pipeline, which is very easy to understand. Before we must know what it means window and viewport. Window is simply, you can say what has to be viewed, that is called as window. You can see a world coordinate area selected for display, or else we can define the window as what is to be viewed. நீங்க என்ன வியூ பண்ண போறீங்க, எதை நீங்க வியூ பண்ண போறீங்க, what you are going to be viewed, அதுதான் வந்து window. ஓகேவா? So viewport ன்றது நம்மளோட device. So where it has to be displayed, நம்ம எங்க அதை display பண்ண போறோம்ன்றது தான் viewport. Area on a display device which a window is mapped, it defines where it is to be displayed. So window and viewport, you just look at this, be rectangles in standard position with the rectangle edges parallel to the coordinate axis. So other geometrics take longer to process. Even if you are going to take a camera in your mobile phone, or else we have a camera as a separate gadgets. Like while you taking the picture, you can see only it's it's representing in the rectangular form of rectangular format for taking a snap. In the sense, other geometric symbols also been allowed, but it may take longer to process. That's why they have preferred rectangle shape for taking a snap. And initially the world coordinate systems, the world coordinate system ன்றது என்ன அப்படினா நீங்க பார்க்குற visual. So construct world coordinate scene. So we should have to select which area we are going to shoot, and using modeling coordinate transformations. So we used MC, modeling coordinate transformations, for selecting the world coordinate scene. Afterwards that world coordinate will be converted into viewing coordinates. World coordinates ன்றது நம்ம whatever we see through our eyes, and we are going to take some snap of it and some part of the nature, some part of the scene, and finally it has to be converted into viewing coordinates. Okay, so once we converted into viewing coordinates, it has to be converted into normalized coordinates. So that is NC. So VC is nothing but viewing coordinates that should be converted into normalized coordinates. And finally we should have to map with the normalized coordinates to device coordinates. So this is how viewing is actually happening, the two-dimensional viewing from the world coordinates to device coordinates. You can easily get into that world coordinates WC to device coordinates DC. So in between we have a modeling coordinates, and viewing coordinates and normalized coordinates. So these are all the things it has to be converted to make a picture to be viewed in a viewport. Okay, so viewing transformation system, the process. So you just look at the picture, which is a world, which is making us a world. window in the sense what is to be viewed. You can see the window nu ஒரு rectangle பாருங்க. So ரெண்டு coordinate values வந்து point பண்ணிட்டு it makes like a rectangle shapeல இருக்கு. So இந்த world coordinate systemல நீங்க என்ன view பண்ண போறீங்க, what is to be viewed, that is called as a window. So screenல viewport இருக்கு, where it has to be displayed. So நம்ம எங்க காமிக்க போறோம் அப்படின்றது தான் viewport. So once you got to know what is meant by window and viewport, you can easily get to understand what it means 2D clipping. 2D viewing. So the process of mapping a part of world coordinate system to device coordinate system is known as viewing transformation. So நீங்க இந்த ஏரியாவை செலக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு so அதை நீங்க விண்டோவா கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு so இதை வந்து நம்ம வியூ போர்ட்டுக்கு ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்றோம். This is a screen which we are looking at in a television or else in monitor, everything like the world coordinate area selected for display. So nama enna area selected which area we are going to select it for a display, that is called as a window. An area on display device to which a window is mapped. So which window is mapped with your screen, that is called as a viewport. So you can easily remember window defines what to be viewed and the viewport defines where it is be displayed. Okay, so that is called viewing transformation system. Now we are going to